Nomenclature of haloalkanes. So nomenclature means a naming of haloalkanes. Haloalkanes having two types of name. One is the common name, another one is the IUPAC name. In common system, haloalkanes are named as alkyl halide. That means first we have to identify the alkyl group present in the haloalkane and named it. Followed by we have to say the name of the halogen as a halide. For example, if CH3Cl is there, the alkyl group present here is methyl. So the alkyl group is methyl. Now the halogen atom is chlorine. So chlorine you have to say as a halide, that is chloride, CHLORIDE. This is the naming of haloalkane in common system. But in IUPAC system, they are the halogen substituted alkanes. Alkyl halide are named as halogen substituted alkane. That means haloalkanes. In IUPAC system, its name is haloalkanes. That means first we have to say the name of the halogen as halo. That means this compound is named as chloro, CHLORO, chloro. Now we have to say the name of the alkane. Which alkane is present here? CH3. So methane. Only one carbon atom, then the alkane is called methane. Chloromethane. Say the name of this compound CH3, CH2Cl. Say the name in both the common system as well as IUPAC system. So common name, how can you write the common name? First you have to find out the alkyl group. Two carbon atoms, so it is called ethyl. Now we have to say the name of the halogen, chloride. Ethyl chloride. In IUPAC system, how can you say the name? In IUPAC system? In IUPAC system, it is called chloro, two carbon atoms, so it is called ethane. So name is chloro, CHLORO, chloroethane is the IUPAC name of the compound. Similarly, say the name of this compound CH3, CH2, CH2, Br, three carbon atoms. So since three carbon atom is present, the alkyl group is called propyl. So propyl bromide. In IUPAC system, it is called bromopropane. Bromopropane. Listen here, say the name of this compound CH3, CH, Br, CH3. CH3, CH, CH3. This compound can also be written as CH3, CH, CH3Br. Both are same. Both these compounds are same. How can you say the name? 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atom is present. So propyl group. Then what about the halogen? Bromo group. So say the name. So this we call it as, that means CH3, CH, CH3. Don't forget CH3, CH, CH3 comes. This group is called iso. So in between two CH3, one CH group comes means it is called iso group. Here totally 1, 2, 3 carbon atom is called present. Therefore it is called isopropyl. Isopropyl bromide. Isopropyl bromide. This is the common name. In IUPAC system, we have to give number to the carbon atom. So this is the first carbon atom, means this is second, this is third. Now the second carbon atom carries bromine atom. So the name is 2-bromopropane. 2-bromopropane. So far we studied the naming of these two compounds. One is CH3 CH2 CH2Br. Another one is CH3 CH CH3Br. We studied this is called, it consists of 3 carbon atoms. So propyl group, bromine is the halogen atom. So this is called propyl bromide. In this compound CH3CH3, that means if a CH group is present between two CH3 group, then it is called iso. Since it consists of totally 3 carbon atoms, this group is called isopropyl. So bromine, so it is called isopropyl bromide. So this is the normal propyl bromide, this is the isopropyl bromide. As indicate it is a normal, we are putting one n here, small n. This n indicate normal propyl bromide. In IUPAC system we have to give number. So please note down, if the number of carbon atom is more than 2, if the number of carbon atom exceeds 2, we have to start give number. That means number of carbon atom become 3, we have to start give numbering to the carbon chain. For giving number, the longest chain is considered as the parental chain. Example, in this example, see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atom is present in this carbon chain. Here another one chain is present, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3. It's another one chain. Here another one chain is present, CH2, 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 CH, CH3. So totally 3 chains are present here. But which one is the longest? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This contains 6 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atom. So this is the straight chain, is the longest chain. So now we have to start give numbering. For giving number, you can start from this end or this end. But you have to start numbering from one end to only. Which end we have to select? For that, another one condition is there, that is the carbon which carries the halogen should get the least number. We can give number on either side, but only condition is the carbon which carries the halogen should carry the least number. That means this carbon. So the numbering start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the usual rule. First carbon atom contain one iodo group. Fourth carbon atom contain one methyl group. Substitution should be named first. One substitution here is methyl group. Another substitution here is iodo group. So methyl group starts with M. Iodo group starts with I. Alphabetical order, which one comes first? I. So 1. This is named as 1 iodo. 1 iodo. Then fourth carbon atom contain methyl group. Now
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atom means it is called hexane. So the name of this IUPAC name of this compound is 1-iodo 4-methyl hexane. The example which we discuss here is it consists of the first carbon atom carries bromine atom here. Here 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3 both are correct. So second carbon atom carries the bromine atom. So it is called 1-bromopropane. This is called 2-bromopropane. Now write the IUPAC name of this compound CH3, CH2, 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 Br. So IUPAC name means first we have to give number. Number can be start from this end or this end, whatever may be. But the condition is the carbon which carries the Br should get the least number. So this is the only way. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what about the system naming? First carbon atom contain bromine atom. So 1-bromo. 4 carbon atoms, so it is called butane. In common system, it is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon atom. So it is called butyl bromide. Butyl bromide. This is the common system. Now say the name of this compound CH3, CH2, CHCl, CH3. Whenever a compound is given like this by giving some bracket or something, first you have to expand the compound. How can you expand? Means CH3, CH2, CHCl, then CH3. Now you have to write the name in common system. In common system, like our last example, CH2Br comes, CH2Cl comes, we can normally write it is a butyl. But in our example, what about the group CHCl is coming? So it is not normal butyl. Now see that one CH3 is there, another one CH2 is there, between CH is present. If this also CH3, then it is iso group. So it is not iso. Then what about this carbon atom? This carbon atom which carries the halogen is attached with 2 other carbon atoms. So it is the secondary carbon. So what about the name we have to given? Secondary butyl bromide. This is the common name. IUPAC system, no problem. As per the rule, we have to start give number from this side. Because if we give number from this side, 1, 2, 3, the carbon which carries the halogen is attached with the third carbon atom. So if we give number from this side, 1, 2. So this is the correct one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So, second carbon atom contain chloro group. So in IUPAC system, 2-chloro, CHLO-RO, 2-chlorobutane. 2-chlorobutane. Write the IUPAC name of this compounds. Whenever compound given like this, some brackets or something, you have to expand this. If you expand this compound, C is here. On the C, 3 CH3 groups are there. C, 3 CH3 group, then Br. For writing common name, so already I told you, if CH2Br group comes, it is normal alkyl halide. So if CH2 comes, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms, so you can write butyl bromide. But it is not CH2Br, but instead we are having CBr. So it is not normal butyl bromide. So we have to see this carbon atom which carries the halogen is attached with 3 other carbon. So this carbon is tertiary carbon. So the name is tertiary butyl bromide. Now you have to write the IUPAC name. So in IUPAC system, the carbon, just to see, we have to see the parental chain. In this compound, 1, 2, 3, one carbon chain is present, another one carbon chain is present, 1, 2, 3, another one carbon chain is present, 1, 2, 3. Any one of the chain you can select. But usually we will select the straight chain as the parental chain. So this chain we can select as a parental chain. Here we have to give number first. From where we can give? If we start from this side or this side, both are correct because the carbon which carries the halogen comes to the second. So this is the second carbon atom. Now the second carbon atom contain one methyl group, one bromo group. So as per alphabetical order, Br comes first, bromo comes first. So we have to write 2 bromo, 2 methyl. Now 1, 2, 3 carbon atom, propane. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Now write the name of this compound, CH3 thrice CH2Br. So first we have to expand it, that is carbon atom consists of 3 CH3 group. The carbon atom consists of 3 CH3 group. Then CH2Br. So CH2Br comes, so normal alkyl halide. But in see this carbon consists of 3 other carbon atom, not 3 other carbon atom. 3 means you can write tertiary, but it consists of 4 carbon atom. So it is not tertiary. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atom is present. This group is called neo. Since 5 carbon atom is present, then it is called pentyl. Neopentyl bromide. This is the common system. In IUPAC system, how can you write the name? See that first you have to find out the carbon atom, parental chain. Parental chain means 1, 2, 3 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3 carbon atom. 2 chains are there. But the thing is 1, 2, 3 you can select. But the problem is it consists of no halogen. So you can't select. This is the chain consists of halogen atom. So you can select this. Now as you know, this is the first carbon atom, this is the second carbon atom, this is the third carbon atom. Now how can you say the name? First carbon atom contain bromo group, second carbon atom contain 2 methyl group. As per alphabetical order, bromo will come first. So how can you write the name? 1 bromo. 2,2 dimethyl. 2,2 dimethyl propane.